Right now you have understand about the solar power meter, and this device measure the intensity of solar with the help of this photodiode. Now we will operate this device and find out the value of the solar meter in terms of that watt per meter square. So you can see the device will be switched on through this one. And what are the specification of this device? You can see on this picture. So it ranges from 0 to 2000 watt per meter square, which it can measure. Accuracy plus minus 10 watt per meter square. Remaining terms which are required during the different operations. So based on the specifications, our major requirement is to measure the intensity of sun rays, and right now the time is 3 o'clock. So at this time we are measuring the intensity of sun rays. So this portion is the photodiode, as already explained in the circuit diagram. This photodiode we are placing this photodiode in front of sun. So now the direction of sun rays are this one. You can see this device automatically scan the watt per meter square. When we are pointing out the sun rays, then it gives the reading of 668.2 watt per meter square. Now you can see the photodiode. Once we are tilting the position of this photodiode, the reading will change as per as the intensity of sun rays will be projected on the photodiode. This device having a different mode of operation. So first mode is like zero mode, in which you can directly see that reading on a different tilting direction. Second mode, unit mode. If you want to change the unit, you can change it here. Third, it is the memory mode. Whatever the data is there, you can record through this device also. This is the time frame. Then transmission is generally used to find out the sun rays which is reflecting through the glass, so it can also measure that portion. Now so you can see we can store this data for the future reference, and for this side, if we are tilting across the sun rays, our reading is 647.7. It is varying because due to that we are changing the position of this photodiode. This is the first. Below that you can see the angle is 51.0 degree. So at this angle the value of intensity is very high. Once we are changing the angle, so intensity is going to be decreased. So you can see the angle here. This angle is now 25.4 degree, and the intensity is reduced to up to 506.4 watt per meter square. Again we are reducing the angle. So at this around 2 degree or 6 degree angle, our intensity is going to be reduced. So the intensity will reduce as per as the tilting of this photodiode, as also the intensity also of the sun rays.